So if you have a personal PayPal account and you want to receive money, there are a few options to do this, and in this video I'll show you how they work. So the first one is when you create a PayPal account, you use an email address and or phone number to create it. So if someone wants to send you money from another PayPal account, they can just enter that email address or phone number, and then they can just transfer money to your personal account. Another option is to go to Send and Request. And then from there click request, and then here you have more ways to request, and you can just create an invoice even if you have a personal account. And this allows people that want to pay with a different payment method than PayPal to still make a payment to you. So you can just say what are they paying for, the price, and then here you can just enter the email of who you're sending it to, and then they can make the payment to you. So that's how you can receive money on PayPal on a personal account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.